what's good, YouTube? So you know I'm back with another video, man. But hey, it's cold as motherfucker out here. But I've been getting a lot of questions about, you know, the rear diffuser and then my headlights and stuff. So in this video, I'm gonna tell y'all about them and, you know, what I went about, how I got them and stuff like that. Hey, but before I get into all of that, make sure you like this video, comment, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. You know what I'm saying? And check out my previous videos and look out for more. But let's get into this. I'm not gonna keep talking. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna talk about are the headlights. A lot of you been asking about the headlights. I purchased the headlights from eBay. When you search for them, they're actually called U-shaped headlights. When I bought them, they were actually about $350. Now, the downside to it, the lights, the actual LED, the U-shaped LEDs do not stay on. They're not daytime running lights. So when I turn my car on, I actually flip the switch to the parking light indication so that when I'm riding around, you can actually see the U-shaped LEDs and, you know, kind of give it that depiction as a daytime running light. And also the daytime running lights actually work off the high beams. So what I did was I actually pulled the fuse for the daytime running light so that way that's not actually running while the car is on. And also the turn signals, honestly, I can say I don't really like them, just for the simple fact that I don't really like how they look very beady and stuff. It's like these gaps in between them. I don't really like that. But sometimes at night it does actually look pretty good, especially when you put your hazards on. It does complement the car pretty well, actually better than the stock headlights. So I can't complain about that, but I wish they were at least a strip, or the LEDs were a little bit closer and it didn't have that many, well, not that many, but that much of a gap in between them. But overall, the headlights, I really like them. Even the turn signals, I can't complain. They're actually better than the stock turn signals or headlamps. I would say if you're planning on buying them, I do recommend them because it does transform the look of your car. I do actually get a lot of people saying, oh, what year is your Accord? It looks newer. Those headlights look new. Like, did you buy those headlights? Did they come on the car with, you know, all of this? So the car, I mean, the headlights actually do transform the look of the car, make it look a lot newer, a lot fresh, and, you know, gives it, you know, that futuristic look. I recommend getting them. Now, onto the rear. The diffuser is actually a universal diffuser from eBay. I picked it up for about $35, I believe. Now, when you're on eBay looking for the diffuser, they have two different ones. They have one that is, excuse me if I'm wrong, there's one that's 23 inches long, and then there's also one that's 33 inches long. I got the one that was 33 inches long. It fits pretty well. I know if I had got the 23, it would have been a little too small. So, you know, for our car, the 8th-gen Accord, you know, whether it's a coupe or a sedan, I would suggest getting the 33-inch one so it could complement the rear. Now, the top part of the diffuser, the top half of that part is actually painted. I used the Duplicolor color match paint, the paint that I actually used to paint my front bumper. I actually bought some black paint for that. I sanded it out, painted it, and it turned out like that. To actually get the shape of the diffuser part, I used some painter's tape, and then, you know, before it dried, I actually pulled it up and, you know, it formed that shape. And lastly, that silver piece that's over top of the black part, that's another piece from eBay. I don't remember how much I paid for it. I think it was about $60 or $70. And I ordered that about a year ago. And as you can see there's like a black painted part over top of the chrome. That's plastic dip right there. You know, I used painter's tape to actually get the shape and stuff. I'm gonna cut the video right here. I don't think it's too long. I don't know how long I've been recording because I've been cutting it in clips and stuff. You know, if you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll try to leave the links to the products in the description. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Like this video. If you haven't watched any of my other videos, go check those out. And that's about it, man. I'll see y'all in the next video, and I'm out.